Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denise Tanisha and I make planning, beauty, and lifestyle videos every week. So today I'm going to go through a update of my happy planner. I guess you could call it maybe an end of year update. I'm going to go into depth about my inserts, my planning process, how I use my happy planner. But if you want to see how I set it up, a quick flip through, I have a silent flip through and it's short and sweet and to the point. I'm going to link it in the or in the description box. Just go ahead and click on that. You can watch that if that is what you're interested in. But today is a more in-depth video on how I use my planner. So remember, a goal without a plan is just a dream. So let's make our dreams come true by planning. So let's get into the video. I'm so excited, and it's a Disney flip through. So if you love Disney, you're going to love this planner. All right, so the first thing you're going to see is I love bookmarks. These are actually TN pocket bookmarks. I have a bunch of them because I used to plan a lot of TNs. So I actually use my TN pocket bookmarks and I tie them on to the first ring of my happy planner. And I get the same effect. Instead of it being at the bottom, it is at the top, and I am okay with that. So this quarter or month or however long I keep this in here is going to be a Disney theme. I did get these dashboards from the Digital Dashbox, I think it was September or October kit. I'll link it below. And then I got the rest of the deco from Pinterest and Michaels. So these are sticky. Let me straighten this up. These are just stickers, and this is a Jewel Mickey sticker. I have it taped down to the planner, so every time I open it, I see it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Then I have some Disney Princess washi on a, I guess a card that I have stuck into a pocket. I have a Starbucks card that I use to cut my washi, and then I have some puffy stickers. This was a sticker kit from, not a sticker kit, sorry. These were stickers from Michaels. Actually, no, I'm sorry, from Joann's. If you go to Joann's Fabrics, they literally have a Disney section with nothing but Disney stickers. And you can recreate this. So these are all 3D stickers, and then two Minnie Mouse puffy stickers that I've just stuck down to an envelope. On this envelope, I also have a dry erase marker. You will see when I use that a little bit later on in the planner. I do need, a wet erase marker. I do use that for planning. So isn't this the cutest thing? So I think I set this up in, like I said, October, September, I can't remember. But I haven't changed it yet because it brings me so much joy. So this is a paper clip and a pocket. So what do they call these? Pocket pouches from the Digital Dashbox, and you could stick some stickers in here. It is mini ears. I just thought this was the cutest thing. Then I made this dashboard from images on Etsy and some puffy stickers planning a happy life. And it is Tinkerbell layered with the castle on some vellum and then glued down to cardstock. And that is my cover. All right, so this is a dashboard that came in the Digital Dashbox kit, and a vision board, sorry, and I just printed this out. I thought this was a very beautiful vision board. On the back is just a Pinterest watercolor of the Disney castle. And then here I actually cut down some pieces of paper, then used sticker paper and printed my goals on the sticker paper and then stuck them down and then use I think these are the Happy Planner Classic picture holders. They're really for pictures. And I made these goal cards, and as I complete the goal, I take it out and then I just stick it on here. And this was my way of seeing my goals for the year. So I think it's 12 goals with pictures. And, as I get them, I put them over here. Okay, so next, this is a really cute dashboard by Annie Planners Co. I also have this dashboard in Sunset. It's more of a orange. This is a white, and it just has my name and the Starbucks logo. This is where I plan my yearly goals. I'm using the Annie Plans printables. I'll have that linked below. And I made these dashboards just with some laminate and some cardstock so that I can easily flip between my sections. And I don't have to change these. These stay in here all year. They coordinate with the planner. So my yearly goals, I planned them here. I use the Annie Plans Printables Forward yearly calendar, and then I just use stickers from different sticker shops. This sticker is from Pink Kimono Papers, and I laminated it, so that's why I use the wet erase marker, because I can erase it and then change goals, add goals. And this is for the academic year from July 2020 to June 2021. And like I said, I just used a whole bunch of Happy Planner stickers and just decorated around each one so that, you know, it's fun, it's cute, and makes me want to plan. All right. Then I have a 2-year calendar on a page. Then I have the clear dashboards that I made with laminating paper. Y'all know what I mean. And then I stuck some adhesive pockets on this laminated sheet, and that's where I keep my stickers. I don't need to go into a sticker book, or, you know, I could just, they're right here, the ones that I use the most. These stickers are transparent dots from Hey Planner Girl. And then I have a finance section so that I go into this planner monthly and weekly, and this gives me a chance to kind of see what were my monthly finances looking like as a whole, not just my spending. In my everyday carry, I track my spending, my daily spending, but this is monthly for the entire house. Are we staying on budget? Did we have some areas where we spent a little more, a little less? Did we get a little bit more savings? And what are our financial goals? They're in here. My next section is projects. So projects, everything's a project basically. So any type of short-term or long-term projects, I'm going to plan them out in here, but I write them in my everyday carry as I think of the projects. Once again, I have these adhesive stickers on the front here, and then I just put the stickers that I use the most. In this section, this is where I plan my projects, and I plan short-term and long-term projects. And this was the cutest image. This is actually Rihanna dressed up as Princess Tiana. So I said, oh my God, this has to go in my planner. I'm a huge Rihanna fan, and you know, Black Girl Magic. I think this is so cute. And I found this on Etsy. Then I have some sticky notes on the back of this dashboard. This is where I keep my short-term projects, anything that I could finish less than 6 months. And this is a project goal insert. Is it called insert? What would you call Happy Planner pages? You know, my everyday carry, I call them inserts, but I don't know what Happy Planner calls them. So a Happy Planner page. But basically, Happy Planner sells these. And then I used some paper and then made, I guess I would call these like Cornell notes for video ideas. Then these are my long-term projects. One long-term project is I'm trying to redecorate my daughter's room. I am not the best at decorating, so I actually have to have a plan. And I found these on Etsy from TCN Design Studio. And man, she really breaks down the whole room makeover project, like what I need to do, the colors to, you know, just it's really foolproof. And then this is my vision board for my daughter's room. And if I could do this in budget and it actually looks good, then I may, you know, try my hand at other rooms in my house. So this is kind of what we came to together. She helped me pick out some pictures and we made a vision board. And I mean, this insert really has everything you need if you're doing a room makeover, from budgeting, things that you need, things that you don't need. I mean, it's awesome. I highly recommend these inserts. All right, next is my agenda, and I keep stickers here on the front and task cards so that I don't have to keep rewriting things that I'm going to do all the time. And this works in conjunction with my everyday planner. So the beginning of the month, I'm going to go through my next actions list in my everyday carry. This is my everyday carry. Don't forget to watch this video to understand what I'm talking about. And then I am going to see what has to be done for the month of November. So let's flip to today's page. And all I do is basically just white out the 4 boxes here and kind of separate what I want to accomplish in different aspects of my life for that month. So I always separate into teaching, social media, personal, and home. Maybe as I get older and I live in this house longer, home may get combined with personal, but right now there's always some type of home renovation project. I did buy like a slightly kind of fixer-upper, so there's always something to be renovated or to do. And then social media is for my business, teaching is for my job, and personal is anything else I need to do. And then I go on my next actions list, and then I look at what do I need to get done this month, put those first, and then anything else I can get done, and then schedule any appointments in here, and then any projects I need to plan out, I'll put in focus, and then the dinner for the week, and then this is basically the schedule. Yeah. So I use a Happy Planner dashboard layout for everything. So I don't have a separate social media planner or a separate work planner. My work planner stays at work actually, and I use the Happy Planner lesson planner. But this is this section, my agenda, is where I track everything. And then I keep 1 year of monthlies in this planner so that I could actually plan out a year in advance. And I love this one. This is, I don't know if you can still get it. I'll link it below, but this was a neutral planner when a couple months ago, Happy Planner had a whole bunch of neutral planners and I bought different neutral ones, and I'll link it below, but I don't think they have them anymore. I think they've been discontinued. All right, and this is a memory planner section. Now, this memory planning section has been a game changer for me because if you notice, I don't actually decorate my agenda. Sometimes I will, but I don't have that pressure. I just need to write. I just need to plan in this. If I want to use a sticker kit and I want to, write pretty or do anything in that realm, I don't have that pressure to do it every day. So I have a separate memory planning section. And like I said, all these dashboards and the vellums were from the Digital Dashbox kit. And what I love about having a memory planning section within my planner is if it is something that I want to remember, I'll just go and use a sticky note and write it there. And then when I have time, I will sit down here for an hour, kind of playing around, having some fun, watching some Golden Girls. Yes, I love me some Golden Girls. Watching some Golden Girls and, play with my stickers. And let's see, I think I did September and October. There's no rush. This was my September monthly. Sometimes I write in it, sometimes I don't. It just really depends. And I did this spread using Happy Planner stickers. This sticker was pink kimono papers. I also use my HP Sprocket. So here's a picture of my daughter. We had some coal fire pizza. This is my first time actually in all 30 something years of eating coal fire pizza. This was our first time. So I was like, I'm gonna take a picture of this. Do I like it better? I think I am a New York style pizza. And if you live in Tampa, oh my gosh, Eddie's and Sam's has the best New York style pizza. I don't care what you say. Go to Eddie's and Sam in downtown Tampa and tell me I'm wrong. This is a spread from Pink Kimono Papers. It was a Lizzo spread. I'm obsessed with Lizzo. Who else is obsessed with Lizzo? Put that in the comments. Like, she just makes me feel I am thick, and she makes me feel good about all my curves. Go ahead, girl. And then this was a wrong spread that I did with just Happy Planner stickers. It's very classic and classy, very chic. This was another spread that I used Pink Kimono paper stickers as well as the Happy Planner Going Wild or Wild Style stickers. Isn't this chic? Sometimes I'm telling you, I don't write in this because if I feel like, oh my gosh, these came out really beautiful, I don't want to write in it. And it's okay because I'm writing in my agenda. So if you love to plan with stickers, just have a little memory planner section and you'll be able to make really cute spreads. And if you want to write in them, write them. If you don't. If you want to use pictures, use pictures. But you can get your creative itch scratched by doing this. This whole set was pink kimono papers, and it was like a glam girl set. I'll link it below. This was just my happy planner stickers in the flowers book. And then, like I said, I didn't feel like doing any more that month, and I kind of fell off. The next section is my miscellaneous section. I have chore papers in here, and what I mean by that is like cleaning isn't, once again, this is Digital Dashbox. These are stickers from pink kimono papers that I just printed on cardstock, cut them out, and used them as bookmarks, laminated them. And this is the chore inserts from Happy Planner, and I laminated it. So once again, I'm using my wet erase marker, and this is just helping me stay on top of my cleaning, deep cleaning checklist. I just have a lot of lists back here. That's why it's a miscellaneous section. Zone cleaning, things I need to buy for my house, my packing list. If you don't have a packing list, child, go get one. I'm talking about, the packing list helps me so much when I'm ready to go somewhere, because I always forget stuff. I don't know if you've ever been on a cruise. Usually one of the first ports we always go to is a US port. And how many of y'all end up at that Bahama or Key West Walgreens buying up the whole store because you forgot half your stuff? That is me. So I love the packing list. And then I keep a sizing chart back here so that I could remember, like if I want to convert a happy planner to a pocket planner, how to reduce them and what size when I'm printing. And then I just have some blank papers, and then I have some Cornell notes by RHORO Studios on Etsy. And then back here I have some stencils that I always keep on hand. So if I need to plan something out, I am not artistic. So if you like to bullet journal, these stencils will be really helpful. I also keep a Tombow marker for highlighting. And then I have a pen right here that has 4 different colors. And within those 4 colors, I can use it to do everything and plan. And this is my favorite pen. It is 5ml ink. And then I have some deco by Sassy Bows and Clips. And let me flip this. So this is a mighty chunky planner. So I got to flip it with 2 hands. You got a chunky planner and you flip with 2 hands, let me know. All right, so now I'm going to just quickly go over what I have in this side. Once again, isn't that sticker so cute? I love the sticker. This is why I did this in September, and we're going to December, and I still have this stuff. I don't know. I may keep it for the whole year. Here I have an envelope that I actually stuck one of those Amazon stickies behind so I could put a wet erase marker. I have some Disney ears. I have an envelope. And then I have my line it up and check it off stencils. I could not plan in this thing without it. If you have a happy planner and you don't have these stencils, you know what? If you don't have these stencils, you're missing out. Go get these stencils. They just make drawing lines and dots so easy, and they are the exact size for the vertical boxes. And yep, that is what I have in here. And then I just have a little charm by Duchess Gem Studios that I clipped onto a paper clip. So thank you for joining me for a flip through of my happy planner and how I use it. If you have any questions, please link them in the comments below. I will get back to you, and thank you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you are, thank you for coming back for another video, and I will see you in the next one. Be safe. Bye, besties.